In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pen in Adobe Acrobat. If you want to quickly mark up a PDF, highlight a section by hand, or add a simple sketch or handwritten note, the pen tool in Adobe Acrobat makes that really easy. I'll walk you through exactly how to access it and start drawing on your document. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. It's important to have the correct file ready before you start, especially if you're reviewing or annotating a document and want your drawings to appear in the right place. Once your PDF is visible, you're ready to move on. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the Acrobat interface where you'll see a column of icons. In that toolbar, click on the draw icon. This is the tool that allows you to use the pen feature directly on your PDF. After selecting it, Acrobat switches into drawing mode, which means your cursor is now ready to create freehand marks on the page. Now click anywhere on the document and start drawing. You can use this tool to circle important text, underline sections in a more natural handwritten style, add arrows, or write quick notes directly onto the PDF. This is especially useful when you want your feedback to feel more visual and immediate than a typed comment. If you want to customize how your drawing looks, you can also change the color before or during your annotation. To do that, click the circular color palette in the same left-hand menu area. From there, choose the color you want to use for your pen. This can help you organize your edits more clearly, especially if you're using different colors for different types of notes or corrections. As a general tip, try to zoom in on the part of the document where you want to draw if you need more precision. That can make your lines cleaner and easier to control, particularly when you're working on smaller text or detailed sections. It also helps to make deliberate strokes rather than quick movements, since that usually gives a neater result on screen. And that's all it takes to use the pen tool in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, select the draw icon from the left-hand toolbar, then click and draw directly on the page using the color palette if you want to adjust the pen color. Once you get used to it, it becomes a fast and simple way to annotate any PDF visually.